2025 Prelim TNS School Paper 1 Booklet B, Question 22. The square grid shows the positions of 8 points. A, fill in the blanks with north, south, east, or west. Now, before we begin, let's fill in our compass. Okay, this is west, this is east, this is south. Okay, as I mentioned before, if you cannot remember, just have to remember we. Okay, W-E. F is what of D? Now, if you have to stand at D looking at F, which direction is it? F is west of D, right? And if we stand at G looking at F, yeah, looking at north, alright? Write down all possible points that are southwest of B. Now, where is southwest? Southwest is in this direction. Alright, so southwest from B. Okay, we have point E. And we also have point F. Alright,